never approach me about a bitch. The pipe that I told, it got a little kick. Come alive from the open, I'm right from the six. What them shooters gon' blow for me, they take a risk. I be out trying to get to the bread. Why you want a net and the stew make it this? If we ever catch shorty, he dead.
We coming through, boy, why they like it? Murder scene, shit get tragic. Hollow stuffed up in that ratchet. Pistol clapping like I'm savage. Call up 4-6, they known for stepping. Get back game, we bout that action. Round my way, told big ass weapons. Get that low, bitch, we act reckless. This a Glock 357. This ain't no Mac 11. When we slide, we bring the pressure. Jump out, put niggas on a stretcher. Chase him down, ain't with the extra. But I hope he catch a blessing. That shit came from all the distance. Man, I hope he learned this lesson.
On the 6 with a twinge on the cast dude. Told folks it's the nigga that's next to him. If he snitch, then free his ass rat food. If he fuck with the ops, get stressed too. I'm THL cause I'm sugar happy too. If he fall, I'm letting out boom. Smoking on Mally, 412 that too. Free Gucci up out that Zoom.
Don't know what the tools. Scrap a dusky. Fuck it. I'm smoking belly and took. Run up on me, I'll shoot you. Don't be fucking with me, I'll lose. I ain't talk to the fed. They came and got moved. He got hit in the head. That nigga ain't moving. I get that bread. I bet my move. Put a switch on the Glock. It go fast when I shoot it. Let me start out saying fuck the tray. 5'9" in the one. Sunny side, Geo Drive. 646, we go dumb. As the streets, they know about it. They know who run in the city. Switches on Glocks with them 50s. Get back, we itching to get you.
If this my niggas gon' cost him. I'm talking red tape, murder scene, chalk. Last out nigga played, we lost him. Put a hole in his head like a dog. Headshot nigga, close that coffin. Niggas be whooping, I play it with precaution. I got a slide there, nigga on my stall. Just cool with the top, little nigga, I lost it.
Vaughn, I got a callin', I got used to ballin', Why is you stallin'? Too rich, bitch, I can't roll it.
That, you see my leg shaking? My leg shaking like, oh, that shit heavy as. I'm planning on doing that shit though, so it's still a good though. Yeah, that shit was bad.
Oh, you done lost it. This bitch must be from hosting. And I'm exhausted. 12 chased me, almost caught me. I got the gun with the beams. I left him dead on the scene. I would shoot niggas for free. Now my niggas shooting for me. They testing my drop when I pee. I'm checking my Glock when I sleep. Versace my shoes, they sneaks. Campbell my drawers, they clean. Blood on this shirt is pink. Took on the ass stink. I'm on tour with Meek. I can't do shit for what? I go crazy. I go crazy. I go crazy. King Von from the
This that 4664 get back gang shit, man. Y'all already know how the fuck we coming, man. On 4 them grade, man. Long live V-Roy, man. Wow. Gang. Gang. Gang.
Get replaced, newborn. It's a baby AK. Posted on King Drive, don't come that way. Last nigga got killed, King Von don't play. Get back. All my guns got kicked back. Heard he got some bands, let me get that. Hey, homie, don't move, boy, sit back. I'm chillin' today, ain't doing no more killing today. I was murdered for hire, why you was just minimum wage? They look at me funny, I think I should watch what I say. And you should watch you trust, cause that bitch told me what you say. I got a callin', I got used to ballin'. Why is you stallin'? Too rich, bitch, I can't roll it. Oh, you done lost it. This bitch must be from hosting. And I'm exhausted. 12 chased me, almost caught me. I got the gun with the beams. I left him dead on the scene. I would shoot niggas for free. Now my niggas shooting for me. They testing my drop when I pee. I'm checking my Glock when I sleep. Versace my shoes, they sneaks. Campbell my drawers, they clean. Shit for your pride, nigga. You ain't even dap your gas, nigga. Pop out the cuss surprise, nigga. He was so Trump, but he died, nigga. G-Lock, make a nigga dance like TikTok. V-Rock, different color thing like Peacock. Headshot niggas don't die if he beatbox. Fusion, need a side 9 in the Reebok, yeah. Pop out that car with the blicky and blick. It made me mad when a nigga a bitch. You only slide on they block when you lit. Snatch for a body, but they know it can't stick. Coke boy, all his coke looking like grits. Dope boy, ain't no boy like this. Android, no iPhone, and stick. Bugatti fly past me, that's French. Shout out my lawyer. My life a movie, but this shit is horror. This shit I enjoy it. Me and my bitch be flying the ball with ball. Yeah. Hope I ain't gotta smoke my nigga. Street life, I don't duck no nigga. You a whole bitch, fuck your niggas trippin', I got ammunition. If you see me shooting, better man your bitch. All the niggas bitches, they be really with it. If you really want it, you can really get it. Niggas really bitches. 6'9", niggas really snitch. Fuck with a rape, niggas really trip. I was suspect, never played the victim. I always got a pistol, I get up with you. Hope you know they got a suit that fit you. Heard you got a little boy and a girl in the crib. Keep playing and they gon' miss you. I'm out my mind, I'm tryna slide. Niggas better pick a side. I hit that corner, swing that gate. Niggas better get
That shit heavy as
if you do the crime, better do the time. Them been in jail so many times. I don't trust shit, I know these niggas lying. You look real good in that suit and tie. If they choose between you and I, one live, one die. I guarantee that you won't survive. I don't even think niggas really wanna try us. Don't talk about bodies, I'm 5+. I be at niggas' head like a lineup. Niggas want smoke, take turns, line up. Man, getting back in the car was not done. Fun on your ass, better not run. You ain't get caught, check, better have fun. If you run, better blast. Two in the air, cause somebody think niggas really wanna try us. Don't talk about bodies, I'm 5+. I be at niggas' head like a lineup. Niggas want smoke, take turns, line up. Man, getting back in the car was not done. Fun on your ass, better not run. You ain't get caught, check, better have fun. If you run, better blast. Two in the air, cause somebody passed.
Man, what's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Campbell, man. We're back with another video. We done just did a quick little back workout. If this is your first time on my channel, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button as well as turn on that notification bell, way notified anytime your boy drops some content. While you're at it, man, leave a comment. It helps the algorithm, helps my channel grow, and helps us continue to get more exposure, man. Shout out to y'all boys, man. Y'all be showing the niggas so much love. Helping the channel grow, and I appreciate y'all. That was a quick workout, man. We went and we got a steak bowl. It's just steak, white rice. I got a little carnitas in there as well. I got cheese and queso and some sour cream. Now, for y'all niggas asking where the vegetables at, my business, nigga. I eat that shit at home off camera, nigga. I don't want to eat that shit right now. We just finished a workout. I need to get some sodium in my body because I be cramping like crazy. I need to get my protein and my carbs, so get off my dick. I really want to holler at y'all boys about chasing greatness. What you willing to sacrifice for your goal. When you think about like all successful people, they all had to sacrifice something on the way to get there. And sometimes it was sleep, other times it was money. Sometimes it was food, maybe relationships, or maybe all the above. And I hear a lot of people say they want to be great, but niggas ain't willing to go through that pain. Niggas don't want to put in that pressure to get to greatness. And that shit is so confusing. It's conflicting because it's like, okay, you say you want to be great, you ain't want to put in that pain and really go through it to get to where you want to be. And you know what I'm saying? I feel like that's just contradictory. So look at my goals and everything I'm trying to accomplish is simple. Like, always set a plan. Now, do things always go according to plan? Hell no. My life, anybody who really knows me knows my life. Nothing has gone according to plan. But at the end of the day, in terms of the journey, man, we're just chasing goals around here. We're trying to chase our dream. And even when shit doesn't go your way, you can't give up, become demotivated. You're allowed to get discouraged at times because that's just part of being human. And you're allowed to even lose a little faith at times, but you can't give up. You can't quit. At the end of the day, sometimes the greatest people aren't always the best at something. They're not always the smartest. They might not be the strongest, the fastest. They might not even have a lot of connections, but one thing I notice that all great people have is they have an ability to endure pain without quitting and being able to go through that struggle. And I think that's super important, man. And I'm really preaching to the young niggas on my channel who really want to be great, the young people who may be stuck in the trenches. You stuck in a situation, you don't know how to get out, and it seems impossible right now. You're trying to dig yourself out of that hole. But I'm also preaching to myself, man. Like I said, I vent to the camera, I vent to y'all, and I create this content so that maybe I can look back one day and motivate myself and be able to show myself how far we've come. I just want to document my life. I know at the end of the day I'm not going to be here forever. You know, I've done a lot, especially in the streets, and I know eventually, you know what I'm saying, you live by the sword, you die by the sword. And one day that shit might catch back up with me, and I always want to be able to look back on these videos and be able to kind of tell a story and maybe motivate somebody. And if I'm helping just one person off of my channel, out of the tens, hundreds, or even thousands of people who may come across it, then I feel like I'm doing something, I'm fulfilling my purpose, and I'm doing what I need to do to be able to get closer to God, but also be able to connect with people and do my part of giving back. My bowl ain't nothing special. It's literally some rice, some meat, and cheese. Diet don't have to be perfect. Your training form don't have to be perfect. Your split don't have to be perfect. But one thing that has to be perfect is your intention. I feel like if your intensity is on point, you're still gonna get results. And I've managed to put on so much size over the years, so much strength, and so much just like muscle, just by training hard. And as you can see watching my lifts, I don't have like terrible form, but I don't have the best form either. And I don't ever claim to be like a form specialist. That's why I don't do voiceovers. That's why I don't do like, oh, hey everybody, this is how you do a deadlift, or this is how you do a bench press. Man, go watch somebody else for that shit. I'm not here for that. I'm not a bodybuilder, as I say. I'm not a powerlifter. I'm not some type of strength and conditioning coach. I'm not a personal trainer. I'm here to show y'all how I train and what works best for me and how I get the results that I get. I don't know if y'all can see, but we got almost 1,500 calories burnt today in that little time span. We killed it. And as always, you know what I'm saying, long live King Von, long live the GOAT, man. But yeah, and if you made it this part in the video, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button as well as turn on that notification bell, way notified anytime your boy drops some content. And while you're at it, man, if you ain't left a comment for me yet, like, you can't keep watching my videos and not comment. You're gonna keep seeing me recommended. You're gonna keep seeing me pop up in your featured videos. At this point, you might as well subscribe. You might as well comment. We family at this point. You can't keep ducking me forever. And I say, get on the bandwagon now before we blow up. Because eventually, we're gonna grow to a point where we're gonna have a substantial amount of us in the trenches. And I'm gonna know who my loyal supporters are and the ones that I'm really closest to. So, yeah, man, if you've seen this video and you ain't subscribed yet, just tap in with your boy, man. I work hard. We record them 4 or 5 days a week. On top of me, I still work a regular 9-to-5 job. And I train every day. I do cardio every day, and I'm still finding time to record and edit videos and still trying to upload. So you got to respect the grind. You got to respect the hustle. I'm practicing what I preach at the end of the day, and I'm putting the work in, putting that pain in, so that hopefully one day I can be great. Again, man, it's the end of the video. Like I said, this is a different style video. I really want to get straight into the workout, just get y'all some good footage, and then be able to talk to y'all boys a little bit. I see me looking in the back. This ugly ass lizard. Ugly as hell. What the fuck is this nigga doing, bro? My son over there eating too, man, being a good boy, trying to get big like his pops. Again, man, but appreciate y'all tapping in with your boy, showing me so much love. I love those who love me, man. I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all again for all the love and support, man. We're gonna keep going up, man, and I'm gonna catch y'all back in the next video.